So I have a real love-hate relationship with my suspension. This part, this little bolt here, I lost one before and it made me not be able to drive my car for like, shoot, maybe 2 or 3 weeks. So driving the horse to the track so I can get a little Friday, little Friday seat time in and go over a railroad track, and it decides it wants to come off. But I'm persistent, so what I do, park the car in the middle of the street, walk up and down. Railroad tracks kind of where those cars are now, but walk up and down basically all around here just so I can find this bolt. Now I'm finna put it on, make my way over to the track, see if I can go down a couple times. So this time I'm at HMP. It's another quarter or 1/8 mile track. I mean, there's a lot of people out here, but hopefully I can get her 2 or 3 times and kind of go from there. Got to the line this time, cut off, and then forgot we was doing regular tree. Man, I gotta do pro tree, man. That's what I'm here for, man. To get my pro tree game up. But forgot we was doing pro tree, so I red lit. So this time I'm gonna tell them pair me with somebody to pro tree. Hopefully I don't turn off this time. Turn the RPMs back up. So see if I can get this second run in. See what it do. Can't really get nothing right now. He ain't giving no time. I'm talking about as soon as you dang on two yellow lights on both sides, he pushing the button. Probably for about 15-20 minutes, let it cool, and then I'm gonna get back in. When they moving, they moving. So it's almost like if you turn that mug off, you're gonna be turning it right back on. So I'm gonna try to let it cool down a little bit. Same thing as last time. When they started the class racing, it take a little longer to get a race in. You can see all these people here now. There's a lot of people out here. So I'm back at the house after the testing tune that I went to. Didn't really do any tuning. I just left everything like it was, but did do some testing. Had a couple things I wanted to test. One was the Pro Tree getting off the line, but that kind of didn't really work out. And two was the shifting. And I was shifting on point, on time this time. So hopefully I can keep that up. I guess I was, able to hear the car a little bit better, or getting used to it or what, but hopefully I can keep that up. But main thing, all of my times were actually faster than they were last time. So even with the jumping and hesitating and all that kind of stuff, I was actually getting down the track a whole lot faster. I probably go to an event at the end of this month, another one back in Ennis, quarter-mile track, so get some times there, and hopefully I'll see some of those guys that I saw at the last event out there, so we can talk a little bit. But I'll take video, keep y'all posted, and but let me know what you like, if you like that in the car view. I mean, if you look out the window when you see it in the car, you see how fast it's going by, like all the bleachers and the people standing by the side. The thing look like it's moving fast, boy, like fast and furious around this thing, huh? But no, just kidding, not that fast yet. So like, share, subscribe. Catch me on Instagram. Do post some stuff up there that might not be full video worthy, but definitely worth a follow. Holler at me on there and everything. So catch y'all next time.